Hello students, I am Kinjal Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of microprocessor and microcontroller. Today we will discuss AVR family. So let's take overview of AVR family. This AVR microcontroller is basically a basic AVR microcontroller which is designed by two students of Norwegian Institute of Technology, that Alf Egil Bogen and Vegard Wolin, and then it was brought and developed by HML in 1996. This AVR microcontroller have a different meanings. HML says that it is nothing more than a product name, but this AVR might stand for Advanced Virtual RISC or Alf Vegard RISC. RISC, that means reduce instruction set computer. So this AVR is basically Advanced Virtual RISC microcontroller or Alf Vegard RISC microcontroller. This AVR microcontroller is have a family, and this AVR is basically classified into four broad group, that is classic, mega, and tiny, and special purpose. So this different AVR microcontroller is basically grouped in this microcontroller family. This classic AVR microcontroller, mega AVR microcontroller, tiny AVR microcontroller, and special purpose AVR microcontroller. Each and every microcontroller is basically used for specific task, and each and every microcontroller has specific features. So let's discuss all this AVR microcontroller one by one. So first we have a classic AVR microcontroller. Classic AVR has this port number 89S series. This is the original AVR chip, and nowadays this is basically replaced by newer AVR chips. So here we have this kinds of table which shows a classic AVR microcontroller. This 8090S2313, this part number of a AVR chip. This has a code ROM of 2 KB, data RAM of a 128 byte, data EEPROM of 128 byte, total 15 IO pin, and no ADC. That means this microcontroller has a in-chip ADC, timers, and other peripherals, but this is basically a classic AVR microcontroller. So it has a no ADC, it has two timer, and this basically available in this SOIC 20 pack or either in a PDIP 20 pack. Okay, then next this AT90S2323. So this AVR IC has a code ROM of 2K byte, and it has a RAM of 128 byte, then data EEPROM of a 128 byte, total 3 input output pins, no ADC, one timer, and available in a SOIC 8 or either in a PDIP 8 pack. Then next this AD90S4433. So it has a code ROM of 4K byte, data RAM of a 128 byte, data EEPROM of a 256 byte, total 20 input output pins, and 6 bit of ADC, 2 timers, and available in a TQFP32 pin package and PDIP 28 package. Okay, so this is a classic AVR microcontroller. Next this mega AVR microcontroller. So mega AVR microcontroller are powerful microcontroller with more than 128 instructions and lot of different peripherals capability which can be used in a different design. This mega AVR microcontroller has a different characteristics like program memory of a 4K to 256K byte package with 28 to 100 pins, extensive peripheral set, and rich instruction set because it has a total 128 instructions. So this Mega AVR microcontroller has a rich instruction set. This table shows the different Mega AVR controller: 8 Mega 8, 8 Mega 16, 8 Mega 32, 8 Mega 64. These all are the AVR Mega microcontroller. This 8 Mega 8 has a code ROM of 8K, data RAM of a 1K, data square ROM of a 0.5 KB, and total 23 input output pins. It includes 8-bit analog to digital converter, total 3 timer, and available in a TQ-FP32 and PDIP28 package. Then next, 8 Mega 16. This has a ROM of 16K, RAM of a 1K, square ROM of a 0.5K, total 32 input output pins, 8-bit ADC, 3 timers, and available in a TQ-FP44 PDIP40 package. Then next, 8 Mega 32. So it has a ROM of 32K, RAM of a 2K, square ROM of a 1K, 32 input output pins, 8-bit ADC, 3 timers, and TQ-FP44 PDIP40 package. Then next, 8 Mega 64. So it has a 64K ROM, 4K of RAM, 2K of square ROM, 54 input output pins, 8-bit ADC, and 4 timers, and available in a TQ-FP64 MLF64 package. So this is AVR Mega family. Then next there is an AVR Tiny microcontroller. So as its names indicate, the microcontroller in this group have less instruction and smaller package in comparison to Mega family. It has characteristics like program memory of 1K to 8K byte, package from 8 to 28 pins, limited peripheral set, and limited instruction sets. And here we have a table of a Tiny AVR family. So 80 Tiny 30. So it has a ROM of 1K, RAM of a 64, square ROM of a 64, 6 input output pin, 4-bit ADC, 1 timer, and available in a SOIC 8 PDIP8 package. Then next, 80 Tiny 25. So it has a ROM of 2K, RAM of a 128, square ROM of a 128, 6 input output pin, 4-bit ADC, 2 timers, and available in a SOIC 8 PDIP8 package. Then next, 80 Tiny 44, 4K ROM, 256 RAM, square ROM of a 256, 12 input output pins, 8-bit ADC, 2 timers, and available in a SOIC 14 PDIP14 package. Then next, 80 Tiny 84, 8K ROM, 512 RAM, 512 square ROM, total 12 input output pin, 8-bit ADC, 2 timers, and available in a SOIC 14 PDPI14 package. So this is Tiny AVR microcontroller. Now next, special purpose AVR microcontroller. The ICs of this special purpose AVR group can be considered as a subset of other group, but their special capabilities are made for designing a specific application. So this special purpose AVR microcontroller basically includes different ICs which are basically dedicated to one particular specific applications. So some of the special capabilities of this special purpose AVR microcontroller is basically USB controller, CAN controller, LCD controller, ZigBee, for Ethernet controller, FPGA, and for advanced PWM. So all these special capabilities can be used for a AVR microcontroller designing. So here this special purpose AVR microcontroller are listed: 8090, CAN 128, 128. It has a ROM of 128K, RAM of a 4K, EEPROM of a 4K, IO pins of a 53, and special capability of is CAN, okay, and it has a 4 timer and available in a LQFP64 pack. Then this 8090 USB 1287, so for a USB transfer this IC is used, okay. So it has a ROM of 128K, RAM of a 8K, EEPROM of a 4K. It has a total 48 IO pins and it has a special capability of a USB host. It has a 4 timers and available in a TQFP64 pack. Then this 8090 PWM216, so it has a 60K ROM, 1K RAM, 0.5K EEPROM, 19 input output pins and special capability of PWM, that is pulse width modulators, okay, and 2 timers available in a SOIC 24 pack. Then this 8 Mega 169 is basically used for this capability of LCD display, okay. So 16K of ROM, 1K of a RAM, 0.5K of a EEPROM, 54 input output pins, 3 timers and available in a TQFP64 or MLF64 package. So this is the special purpose AVR microcontroller IC. So these all are the AVR microcontroller family. Thank you.